Hello children, this is a listening and comprehension. Listen carefully, then answer the question. Ciao bambini, questa è una lezione di ascolto, quindi ascoltate con attenzione e rispondete alle domande che vi darò. Oakville Apple Farm. Every year in autumn, Anthony Jones and his family go to the Big Apple Farm in Oakville. There are a lot of big apple trees there. There are red, green, and yellow apples everywhere. Anthony loves red apples, and his sister Tina loves green apples. They pick the apples and put them into big brown baskets. When they finish picking the apples, they go for a hayride around the farm. They always give an apple to the big brown horse. Horses love apples too. There is a small shop on the farm. You can buy a lot of delicious things there. Mrs. Jones always buys an apple pie for dessert. Mr. Jones always buys some sweet for them. When they go home, they eat the sweets in the car. Bene bambini, l'ascolto è terminato. Mi raccomando, attenzione nel rispondere alle domande. Bye bye!